everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Sadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most stupid, simple vegan rice pudding recipe. It's so easy, but it's so good. So let's get cooking. So for my vegan rice pudding, here I have a small pot on medium heat. I'm adding 2 cups of coconut milk for half a cup of rice. So we just want to bring this to a very slight simmer so that we don't split the coconut milk or burn it. You should see bubbling at the edges and the coconut milk steaming a little bit. It's been 4 minutes, my coconut milk is steaming. So at this point, it's the perfect time to add our rice. Here I have half a cup of rice that I rinsed under cold water to get rid of any excess starch and strained. I'm going to mix all of this, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and cook for 20 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, you might want to make sure the rice is not sticking to the bottom, give it a quick mix, and close the lid once again. So it's been 20 minutes, and as you can see, the rice has absorbed a lot of the liquid, but it still has a pretty good consistency to it, so I'm not going to dilute it with water. But if your mixture is too thick, you can add a little bit of water or some almond milk. To this, I'm adding around 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. You can add more or less according to your preference. Half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix all of this really well. Cover the pot once again and cook for 10 more minutes. It's been 10 minutes. The rice looks completely cooked. I'm really happy with the consistency as well. So it's time to switch off our element. And I'm going to top with some crushed almonds and a little more cardamom. And that's the finished dish. I know it looked really good, but let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Oh yeah, it is better than it looks. This is the perfect recipe for winter, especially because it's so warm and comforting. I know that gluten-free vegan desserts can have a bad rep because of how complicated they can be, but as you can see, this was so easy to make. It literally has like 4 ingredients, which is pretty crazy. I like to top my rice pudding with almonds, but obviously feel free to switch up the nuts with whatever you like. Toasted cashews work, pistachios, and if you're feeling a little extra fancy, you can always add some saffron as well. Yeah, let me know in the comments how you made it your own. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new vegan Indian dishes every Sunday. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!